Well, ladies and gentlemen, Team Cafemutual has carefully reviewed existing passive funds to declare 28 awards across passive fund categories based on various parameters like tracking error, tracking difference, and impact cost. Well, we have shortlisted the best performing schemes based on the following parameters. Analyzed 546 schemes across various categories of index funds and ETFs, 295 index funds and 251 ETFs. These schemes have a track record of at least 1 year, and each category has at least 5 schemes. Team Cafemutual shortlisted the best performing index funds based on 2 parameters: tracking error and tracking difference, with 50% weightage to each components. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to give away these prestigious awards, I would like to invite Prem Khatri on stage. Can we have an applause as he walks up? And we will now begin Cafemutual Passives Award 2026. Well, our first segment is Index Fund. And the winner for Best Large Cap Index Funds, we have 2 winners. Our first winner is UTI BSE Sensex Index Fund. Many, many congratulations. Can we have you on stage, please? A very, very warm welcome. Our winner for Best Large Cap Index Fund, ladies and gentlemen, our first winner is UTI BSE Sensex Index Fund. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you are proud to be a part of this industry, can we have a huge round of applause for our winners? Come on, everyone. And in the same category, we have one more winner. Big, big congratulations to UTI Nifty 50 Index Fund. Many, many congratulations. Our Best Large Cap Index Fund. Once again, welcoming you onto the stage. You know, it's a very proud moment, so let's take the ramp once again. Our wonderful winners for Best Large Cap Index Fund. Yes, sir.
My mic on?
Yes.
I just wanted to inform you that in the last category, UTI walked away with the award. That is India's oldest passive fund.
Wow.
Okay? Launched almost 28, 29 years back. I forget whether it was 97 or 98, but it was definitely launched. Yeah. And it done remarkably well for many, many years. Yeah. Yeah.
Many, many congratulations to our winners. Moving on to Best Mid-Cap Index Funds, and taking the trophy for this is SBI Nifty Mid-Cap 150 Index Fund. Many, many congratulations. Well, requesting you to sprint up to the stage and claim this wonderful trophy.
Hi, what's your name? Aditya.
Ladies and gentlemen, today evening is all about excellence, innovation, and impact. Let's give them the applause that they deserve. All right, moving on to Best Small Cap Index Fund, and the winner is Edelweiss Nifty Small Cap 250 Index Fund. Congratulations. Requesting you to please join us swiftly on this stage. Our wonderful winners for Best Small Cap Index Funds.
I'm great.
Let's shine the spotlight on Edelweiss Nifty Small Cap 250 Index Fund.
So congratulations.
Congratulations. Moving on to Best Multi-Cap Index Funds, and taking this trophy is SBI Nifty 500 Index Fund. Many, many congratulations. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them the applause that they absolutely deserve. If I could request you to remain here with us, because you are also the winner in our next category, which is Best Sectorial Bank Index Fund, goes to SBI Nifty Bank Index Fund. Many, many congratulations once again. With that, let's move on to Best Sectorial IT Index Funds. And the winner is Nippon India Nifty IT Index Fund. Many, many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, claps mein kanjoosi nahi honi chahiye. Come on everyone, let's motivate all our wonderful winners who are walking up to the stage.
Congratulations, guys.
Well, we are at Best Sectorial IT Index Funds and our winner is Nippon India Nifty IT Index Fund. Congratulations. Let's move straight ahead to Best Smart Beta Index Funds and our winner is ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 Value 20 Index Fund. Many, many congratulations to our wonderful awardee. As ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 Value 20 Index Fund winners walk up on stage, let's give them a loud cheer, please, everyone.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again. With that, let's move to Best Target Maturity Index Funds. And taking this trophy home is Edelweiss Nifty PSU Bond plus SDL April 2026 50/50 Index Fund. Many, many congratulations to our wonderful winners. Well, as our winners walk up and claim their wonderful token of appreciation, your applause can get a little louder, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, we are moving on to the last three awards in this wonderful segment. Many, many congratulations. Perfect. We are at Best Target Maturity Index Fund and our winner is Edelweiss Nifty PSU Bond plus SDL April 2026. With that, let's move on to Best Debt Index Funds. We have two winners in this. Our first winner is ICICI Prudential CRISIL IBX Financial Services 3 to 6 months Debt Index Fund. Many, many congratulations to ICICI Prudential CRISIL IBX Financial Services. That, ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating the people making investments simpler, smarter, and stronger. With that applause of yours. Come on, everyone. We are still at Best Debt Index Funds, and our next winner is Aditya Birla Sun Life CRISIL IBX Financial Services 3 to 6 months Debt Index Fund. Many, many congratulations to Aditya Birla Sun Life. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating success. We are celebrating leadership and celebrating the future. Many, many congratulations to all our winners and thank you so much, sir, for being here with us. Would you like to say?
Be clear, these awards are completely objective. There's no element of subjectivity about it. It's essentially an exercise on Excel sheet. All of you can do it and you'll arrive to the same set of winners. So I think this is purely an objective exercise, and I congratulate once again all the winners of our index funds. Thank you so much.